here, Captain Rimmer here, and today I'm in Selfridges, Manchester. We found yet another white cone lift. Oh my gosh. These ones don't have any chime, but I believe it has automated voice. Close. Oh, it's got an orange close button. Now, watch how fast this is. Watch out, Mum. See how fast we're going?
Wow.
Definitely wouldn't be able to get up the stairs this fast.
Oh, there's the other lift.
Yep, there's the other one. I'll send this one to 2. Oh, call button's built on this time. So that. Here we go. Yep, this one has a different type of close button. Let's go to P. Oh, this one has button noises. Feels like you're falling down a big cliff because of how fast it goes.
You see?
Yeah, you can see the counterweights, but still, these lifts are huge and tall.
Oh, we're going underground.
Oh, there's another lift competing with us next to us. No, honestly, it's right next to us.
I want to see it now.
Here it is. Now there's the other lift, the one with the original cone button. Look at that though. Let's call it. We'll take this one back up to ground, then we'll finish the video. Now that is what you call original cone pressing button sounds. Honestly. Nothing better than that noise. Ooh. It's a bit squeaky. Oh, here goes another one. This is the one with the original button. There we are. Back at the ground floor. So anyway, that's been Captain Lulu in these lifts that are just too tall and too fast for my liking, although I still like them. Weird. But okay, so that's been Captain Lulu in these 2 lifts. I'm talking because I don't want to have to get copyright claims for the music in the background, so bye.